Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to enable download only on Wi-Fi in Disney Plus on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And see you now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, here firstly you just have to open the Disney Plus applications of course, and also you have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet. And now go ahead to your profile here, just tap on it. After, if you want to enable it, just go ahead to your profile at the bottom right here. Now tap on this help and settings options. In this page, we'll find out here the downloads options. Just go ahead and it will be a pop-up. And we'll find out the first option and the pop-up, which is download only on Wi-Fi for this device. Now you just have to tap on the toggle beside it like this until it's turned blue. So this option will be turned on here guys, which means you can only download the videos, the movies or series in this Disney Plus applications with Wi-Fi. So if you don't activate the Wi-Fi while you're using the mobile data, it cannot be downloaded because you activate this download only on Wi-Fi options. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.